Hi, guys. Thank you for joining in today. And I'm going to talk you through an amazing topic which is very, very close to my heart because it has actually helped me in my transformational journey. And that is how to be your authentic self. So let's go and find out. There's a story that Michelangelo was once asked how did he carve such beautiful angels, and he replied that I saw angels in a stone and I chipped away everything around it. So reprogramming your brain is just like that. It's less of a function of trying to be who you wish you were and more of recognizing your true self, your authentic self. So, guys, I hope that you're finding this content very useful so far. But that's not all, because now I'm going to share with you a very powerful and strong activity that will actually help you in reprogramming your brain and yourself for success. So, let's go and find out. Just make yourself comfortable with your hands on your lap and just look up as high as you possibly can. Just look up as if you're trying to look into your own eyebrows, keeping your eyes glued to a real or imagined spot overhead. Just breathe in and breathe out. Take another deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out. And each time you blink, you are getting more and more relaxed. And just one final time, breathe in. Keep your eyeballs right up. Keeping your eyeballs up as you exhale, just close your eyelids right down, all the way down. As your eyelids shut down, the muscles and nerves in and around your eyes are becoming heavy, droopy, drowsy. Your eyelids are starting to feel right now as if they have been glued shut, sealed shut, locked tight. And you will soon find the harder you try to open your eyes, the more they feel glued shut, sealed shut, locked tight. And I can see that fluttering sensation in your eyelids, and it is very, very pronounced, and you can probably feel it as well. And that's just a great sign, a sign of how perfectly you are responding. So I want you to just let your eyes go wherever they want to go. Now I want you to drop your chin just a fraction so you really feel that looking down sensation that you might feel as you look over a balcony or down a flight of stairs. And as I count backward, you are going to see your feet, hear your feet, feel your feet, treading each step right now. You're looking down 10 steps. You're moving on to step 10 as each muscle, every nerve turn loose, lets loose, and you go deeper. You are taking step 9. You can see your feet making contact with every step as you go deeper. You are taking step 8. You can hear your feet making contact with each step as you go deeper and deeper. You are taking step 7, going deeper with every heartbeat. You are taking step 6 as each sound and noise and movement around you carries you deeper and further into sleep. You are taking step 5 and 4. Each muscle, every nerve turns loose, lets loose, and you are going deeper into an awareness of yourself. You are going deeper into your own internal state. You are taking step 3, moving down, traveling down, sinking down. You are taking step 2 and step 1, just go deeper, drift deeper, sink deeper, sleep deeper. As your muscles relax, it's become easier and easier to unleash your imagination. Now imagine another you standing in front of you. This is the most magnificent you that you can imagine, your authentic self. Take a moment to feel totally happy with your authentic self. Look at the way that the authentic you stands, breathes, smiles, walks, and talks. Look at how the authentic you speaks to others. Notice how the authentic you handles problems and goes for the goals. Now I want you to step into and synthesize with your authentic self. I want you to see through the eyes of your authentic self, hear through the ears of your authentic self, and feel how it feels so good to live life as your authentic self. I just want you to stay in that moment, feel that moment, and feel authentic about yourself, and feel happy about yourself, and feel confident about yourself, and feel positive and relaxed. Now I want you to finish your programming session by taking a minute to daydream about how your life will be different as you live more and more from your authentic self. I want you to daydream and imagine yourself living authentically in any number of real situations from your past, from your present, or future. Just imagine yourself in that situation and feel your authentic self. And now, as I count you back to full awareness, with each number you will become more aware of your surroundings, bringing this feeling of confidence, calmness, and authenticity back to the room. On the count of 1, you are becoming more aware. On the count of 2, you are aware of the room and sounds around you. On the count of 3 and 4, you are taking a deep breath. And on the count of 5, I want you to open your eyes, fill up your lungs, and take a deep breath. Perfect. So guys, by doing this activity every day, once a day for a week, will really help you in integrating and synthesizing your self-image with your authentic self. And please don't forget that mind only learns by repetition. And neurosciences says that our normal mind takes 7 to 21 days in integrating and installing new beliefs and adopting new behaviors. So if you want to see a phenomenal transformation in yourself, I would highly recommend that you do this activity every day, and then you will live a life of fulfillment afterwards. Thank you so much. And if you like this video, please share it with others as well. Subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to ring the bell icon.